And hello everyone, welcome back to a new video. Alright, so today I kind of forgot about something about the for loop, and I just want to go over it because you're not going to use it that much, but there are in some cases places where you would use that. So I'm just going to quickly explain it to you. So just a button, because we're not even going to really run it. I just want to show you that it exists, for in case you might be interested in using it. Now, last time of the for loop we did, just go let's create an I variable here. Variable I is an integer. Alright, so now we have an I variable. Now, last time we did for, and I becomes 1, 2, let's say 8 or 9 or something. Begin. And then here is your code. Alright, so this is a normal for loop. Now, for loop also has a nice function, so you can also, like, let's say go make this 15 and then you say down to, so then it counts from 15 down to 8. So it's basically the same thing, but instead of counting upwards it counts downwards. So this part of the code would, instead of looking like this, I becomes I plus 1, instead of looking like that, it will look I becomes I minus 1. That's how it will look now if you were to write this out in code, this line here. So yeah, so that's actually all I wanted to tell you guys, because yeah, you can use down to, it does count down. You don't use it often, but there are some cases where you think like that might actually be really useful. So yeah, thank you all for watching. See you all in the next video.